Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an ICORD. We're going to start off with a slip stitch and chain 3. Into the second chain from the hook, we yarn over, pull up a loop. We will repeat this step for the third and last chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we gently remove the hook from the first 2 loops, but holding them with our other hand so that they don't undo. Into this chain, we will chain 1. Grab the loop closest to you that's loose and make a chain 1. Grab the last loose loop and chain 1. You will continue to unhook the last 2 loops and hold them with your other hand and repeat the process of chaining 1 to each loop until you reach your desired length. Once you reach your desired length, you're going to bind off by yarning over and pulling through all 3 loops. Chain 1 to secure the ICORD. Fasten off, and then to weave in this end, you can always insert a tapestry needle into the tube until this end is completely concealed. This tutorial is a companion to my Savannah convertible beanie pattern out now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions on a tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, bye!